Hi boys and girls, we're back to Math Chapter 6 review. We're going to do part 2, just some more examples so you can finish your chapter review at the end of the chapter. Today we're going to work a little bit more on those quick pictures. So I have a story. Some of my stories aren't exactly what you have on your paper because I want you to see some examples and then try it on your own. So I have a story. Let's say that Lisa says that the number 38, she says that is 8 tens and 3 ones. Greg says that the number 38, he says there are 3 tens and 8 ones. Who is correct and how do we draw to show it? So let's think about it. The tens place is the 1 here, the ones is on the right. And if I look at the tens, there are 3 tens, 8 ones. Gregory has to be right. So here's how I draw a quick picture of that. I would do 3 sticks, and then I'd do a row of 5 and 3 more to show 8 ones. So he's the one that's correct. You have a similar problem on your paper, but with the number, you're looking at the number 42, deciding if Lisa or Lena is correct. Now I have a mystery number. It's a riddle. I'm going to give an example of a riddle similar to the one you're doing. It's not the same one. I am a number greater than 37. So we know it's bigger than 37. I am less than 40. But I have a 9 in the ones place. If I'm not sure, what I could do is I could write the numbers from 37 to 40. 37, 38, 39, 40. I know it's less than 40, so it can't be 40. And it's greater than 37, it can't be 37. And it has a 9 in the ones place. My number is 39. So you're going to do one similar to that, but you'll have a different number to follow. But make a list of your numbers and cross out the ones you know it isn't and read your riddle to see what is it. Now, this is a tricky one. We have to show different ways to show the same number. So let's say I have the number 54, but I didn't even know that yet. Let's pretend I didn't know that. And I had this picture up here. And then down below over here, I have some choices, and I need to see which ones are correct. So I'm going to put a box here so we can make an X by the box instead of a circle so we don't get confused with our circles here. Let's do this one. And here's our third choice. And our fourth choice. Now I see there's some extra ones that I am going to have to make bundles of before I can solve it. First I want to solve this one. I see a bundle of 10 here, so I'm going to count my tens now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 4 in the ones place. Now I'm checking over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 4 in the ones. 50, I should write it above it. 54, I can bubble in that one is correct. Let's check this one. 3 tens, 4 ones. 34 is not the same as 54. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, 4 ones. 64 is not the same as 54. Let's check this one, but first we need to loop our groups of 10. Now let's count those tens. Don't forget those loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So that one is also a way to show 54. They just broke apart the tens and we had the loops there. So you have a similar one on your page. Now let's work with some bigger numbers over 100. And we want to figure out what the number is. So let's say I have this number here. And I have some ones. I want to find out what number do I have. I count my sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens and 6 in the ones. 106. My next one, what if I have this one? And I have those ones I need to bundle again to make a set of 10. I count my sticks, but first I want to make my loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens, and 3 ones. 103. What if I have this one? Now I count my sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens, 2 ones. That number is 112. What if I have this one? Count my sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tens. No ones. 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now they might give you a problem that looks like this. And they say we need to make that number be 117. So let's see what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sticks or 11 tens, 4 ones, 114, and I have to get to 117. Well, I need to keep counting in my ones to get to a 7. So that would be 115, 116, 117. I had to add 3 ones. So that should take you to the middle of the back of your page with the type of problems, not the exact problems. Now, what if I had something like this? And I have some loops here of 10. And this is a loop around here. And I have this one. And I need to find out how many 10s are there. Well, I can see there's 2 10s. How would I write that as a problem? How many would I have in the loops? I would have 20. 2 10s, 0 1s. My number would be 20. Then there's one more type of problem we need to review. What if they told you to show a number in 2 ways? Let's say we have the number 42 and we need to show it 2 ways. We could do the quick picture with 42 like this. Then we can break apart a 10. So I'm going to cross that out. Now we only have 3 10s. We have to have 10 here and still the 2 extra. So that's 2 ways you could show 42. Good luck on your Chapter 6 review.